Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the Lunchtime Market Update for Monday, December 23rd, 2019. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. All right, so let's take a look here. So let's see where we're at in the market. We have SPX today, very narrow range today. Right now, the range is 4.23 points, okay? We do have an all-time high on it. It's green, right? So it's still, bullish until proven otherwise and pushing its way up. But goodness, there is not a lot of volume today. It really feels like a holiday week, right? So, and by the way, I hope everybody's enjoying their week. If you're on vacation, of course, I hope you're enjoying it too. And may everybody have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday. So, good stuff here. So, yeah, so SPX, right? Narrow range here. We'll keep an eye on it, see how it goes. Okay, still working our way up. Let's look at today. Obviously very choppy, right? Everything's kind of within the 15 orb range today. Okay, so we're monitoring that, but again, we're mostly today is kind of the big mover day, right? So so let's take a look. Let's look at the ones I just wanted to touch on here. So obviously Tesla. Okay, 420 funding secured. Basically, the main breakout point was here over its pre-market levels. It gave a move to the 15 orb high. It was very, very tricky to trade this morning with options, particularly. We did get a move off of the 15 orb, off of the double inside 15 and moved its way up, but very, very tricky with options. Risk reward was challenging, and the premium was actually pretty high this morning too. So, but still a decent move up there. I know some folks did well with shares on that today, so great job on that one. We'll see how it holds here. Again, we're not seeing a lot of a lot of pulsing, a lot of momentum on this one. So it's just, kind of hit this key level. Let's see how it acts in this area. Okay, that being said, next one I want to touch on is Apple. Another one that was up nicely today, and also a little bit tricky to move just with some of its levels that were being tested, right? So 15 orb up, it cleared out its pre-market levels right there. Had a nice move off the 15 orb high, but then it stopped a little bit, paused at the inside 15, and then it paused again at the prior all-time highs, and then put its fresh all-time highs today. So so very, very interesting level here. We'll see how that holds for the rest of the day. Again, my theory basically is that they're going to keep this propped up into the end of the year, but we'll see if anything interesting comes out before then. Sometimes we do around the holidays. Okay, so we have a few chart requests today. So the first one that I saw is ITCI. This is a huge one. Intracellular therapeutics. It was yesterday. It closed at it closed at around like $11, and today it's up to $43. Okay, some news on that one. More than triple after a schizophrenia treatment is approved. So, so very, very interesting stuff. There's a couple halts on this one, but if you look at that 15 orb inside 15, and then a huge move up off of that one. So very, very good there. Boeing. Big news, drama stock today. I mean, this one you would know when, would have been tough to take long into the weekend, right? Took an inside 15 down with a very big candle with big volume, right? It was looking pretty rough, but it did hold support, right? So you can kind of look at that. So, for a speculative move, gave a move up. CEO stepped down, and the stock stepped up today. So, so inside, we had a 15 orb today. Again, it was tough. This is one we just watched this morning. We were like, okay, is it going to break the 15 orb? We got an open gap above. It might test that. Couldn't do it, right? Kind of push back down inside 15 down, and now we're kind of chopping in this range right here. Boeing's got a lot of work to do, and it's still a drama stock, so we have that going on. Twilio. Okay, yeah, it's popping up a little bit here. I like the inside 15 at the 15 orb low and the pre-market lows too, and gave a nice move up off of that. So great job if you caught that. Kind of big deal right here. It just got over the 50-day moving average. That's when we were tracking back here. It was rejected by it previously. So today's close is going to be very, very important for Twilio. It's closing over a lot of major levels right here. Friday's high. Next level up is right here. This 102.76 level. That's going to be important. So really, it's just got to kind of keep working, try to get its way over the cloud. Next major target is going to be the 200-day moving average on that one. So definitely something to keep an eye on there. Netflix chart request. This thing's been super bullish, right? So super duper bullish, right? Pushed out, and why? I mean, it pushed over, key resistance level right here and came all the way up to this major pivot level right here. And look what it's doing. It's pausing. It's discovering price. It's determining, why did I get pushed down here? And then, so, if there's bears in the woods there, they're growling. So they're trying to, try to keep it down a little bit there. So let's see. It might consolidate a little bit, may retest the 200-day moving average, and then try to work its way back up into that gap kind of going forward. Intraday price action. It's pretty rough, right? 15 orb here this morning, inside 15 down. Now it's kind of back within the 15 orb range. A little bit challenging in that as well. Shop, of course. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so shop again, we're mostly bearish on this one. It's got to get below Friday's close to really get that bearish kind of momentum going. We're not seeing that yet. We're seeing some still pushes. It couldn't get over the prior day's highs, so it looks like we're basically inside day type pattern here. So we'll see. We'll see how that holds. Again, 15 or inside 15 down to test the 15 or below, double inside 15, having trouble breaking down the 15 or below. So it looks like they're holding it up today. Kind of a choppy day. Let's see if any news comes out or anything happens with it to get it kind of going again, one way or the other. Starbucks, is it time to buy the drip yet? It's dripping down, 15 orb breakdown inside day on the 15. We looked at this in the live stream last night. Let's see if we can get out of the cloud here and try to work its way up. But right now, it's not looking promising unless we can get back over the 15 orb level. So that's all for now, guys. I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your trading day today. And remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And we'll talk to you soon.